is fixing to blow your mind. Coconut curry with crispy chicken, easy to make, so finger licking. Boneless thighs with the skin on tight.
Hey everybody, let's get started on this amazing crispy chicken coconut curry dish. So awesome. So I've got boneless, skin on chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast, but I like to use the thighs because they just stay moisture better and the skin crisps up better. So I'm going to season both sides with white pepper and kosher salt. Then I'm going to take that chicken, I'm going to put it on a cookie sheet with a rack, like you see there. And I'm just going to lay the chicken down. Try to keep a little distance between each piece. And then we're going to pop that in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Preferably, if you have time, overnight. Because you really want that chicken to dry out. Now, once that's all dried out and ready to go, get out your non-stick pan. And it's cold. And we're just going to lay that chicken skin side down, just like you see here, right in that pan. Should be enough room for all the pieces. There we go. Then we're going to go to our stove, turn the heat on to medium-low, put our pan right over that heat. If you've got one of those little screens that go over, splatter stoppers, put that right on top. Do not use a lid. If you don't have the splatter stopper, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to clean your stove afterwards because you'll get splatter. And we're gonna let that go for 25 minutes. Just leave it alone. Then when we come back, we're gonna flip it and we'll go another 10 minutes. And the chicken looks delicious. So we'll put the splatter back on and we'll let that go 10 more minutes. Now our chicken is done and we're just going to remove it and let it sit and rest while we work on our curry sauce. For that, we're going to need a saucepan. We're going to need 1.5 to 2, depending on the size of the shallots, diced up. And we'll start with 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter. Get that melted in there on medium heat. Add our diced up shallots and we'll start to cook those down. And once we get those shallots cooked down, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of yellow curry. Just like that. And we'll mix that in. You just kind of want to dry cook that curry. You'll get the whole house will start to smell amazing. That's beautiful. And we'll do that for about a minute to 2. And then I got 1 small can of coconut milk. On the side. But before we put that in, I'm going to put in 2 cloves of minced garlic. And once that garlic becomes fragrant, we got to cover with the liquid to capture that flavor, and that's going to be the coconut milk. So that's going to come right now. We'll pour that right on top. There we go. And then we'll give that a real good mix. That's really coming together. Now, the last thing we're going to add is a little bit of ginger. I've got the ginger in the paste in the bottle. So I'm just going to squeeze out a little bit in there. Keep that heat going. Get that starting to reduce. There's our ginger. Get my whisk out. We'll whisk it up some more. And we're just gonna let this sit for a minute or two and let the heat on so it reduces down and thickens. And while that's happening, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and family about the show. Remember, every Wednesday and every Sunday a new show comes out, so hit that bell to be notified on what's coming up next. Okay, we got a quarter cup of heavy whipping cream. That's definitely going to help us thicken up. And once it's nice and thick the way we like it, we're just going to put it on our plate. There we go. And we're going to set our chicken down, serve it up, and you have delicious coconut crispy chicken curry. Outstanding. See you on the next show.
Come on, man. That's right. Buzz Cooks is fixing to blow your mind. Coconut curry with crispy chicken, easy to make, so finger licking. Boneless thighs with the skin on tight, cooked up golden, oh so right. Buzz Cooks, yeah, every Sunday and Wednesday night. Buzz Cook, Buzz Cooks, like, share, subscribe, keep it tight. Plate that chicken sauce on top.